Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers to any decimal place in Notion. This is incredibly useful when you're working with databases that contain prices, percentages, or any numerical data that needs to look clean and professional without all those extra decimal places cluttering your view. First, head over to Notion on the web and select your workspace from the sidebar. Once you're in, you'll need to open the database where your numbers are stored. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new database with a number type column. This column will hold the original values you want to round. Now, look at your database and find the rightmost column header. Click the plus icon next to it to add a new property. This is where you'll create the magic that rounds your numbers. From the property type options that appear, select Formula. This property type allows you to perform calculations and manipulations on your existing data. Give this new formula column a meaningful name, something like rounded number, so you'll remember what it does at a glance. Once you've named it, click on the column name again and choose Edit Property, then click Edit to open the formula editor. This is where you'll input the actual rounding formula. In the formula editor, type in this formula round prop number, *100, replace number with the actual name of the column you want to round. The way this works is pretty clever. By multiplying your number by 100, you shift the decimal places to the right, then the round function rounds it to the nearest whole number. And finally, dividing by 100 shifts everything back to show two decimal places. For example, if you're rounding a column called price per item, your formula would be round prop price per item *100. If you need to round to a different number of decimal places, just adjust the multiplier. For one decimal place, use 10 instead of 100. For 3 decimal places, use 1000. It's that simple. Once your formula is set, you can use this new rounded column in your calculations, views, or reports. Your data will look cleaner and much easier to read, which is especially helpful when sharing databases with team members or clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.